Hello everyone, Michael Ferrara, and today we're going to talk about tax savings benefits of having a home-based business versus not having a home-based business. We're going to look at how much money you're losing each month by not having a home-based business. See, the rich know something that most people don't know. We have two different tax systems in the United States, one for the business owner and one for the employees. One to make you rich and one to make you poor. One for employees, which is designed to take your wealth and make you poor, and one for small business owners, which is designed for economic growth. Because small business generates 70% of the job growth in the US. Small businesses get to take deductions first before they pay any taxes, unlike employees who have to pay taxes on dollar one. You can take full advantage of this by having your own home-based business, whether you work it full-time, part-time, or in your spare time. It doesn't matter as long as you run your business with an honest expectation of making a profit, which means you actually have to try and make money. This entitles you to dozens of deductions covering everything from your mortgage, rent, utilities, cell phone bill, gas, to office equipment and travel, just to name a few. Now think about it. You have a job and you're getting killed in taxes. You start a home-based business and you pay a monthly amount to get involved, which is tax deductible. Even if you don't make a profit in your home business, you can still take these tax deductions to offset the taxes coming out of your paycheck every week. Like I said, as long as you're making an honest effort to make a profit in your business, these deductions are 100% legal and ethical. Now let's take a look at a quick example to give you an idea as to how much money you're actually losing each and every month. Alright, so now we know the advantages of being a business owner versus being an employee and how much money you're actually losing per month. So let's take a look at a real world example. And again, I'm just going to use the national average numbers here. Your numbers will be different, so we can go through that together and we can plug in your numbers and we can get your exactual savings, how much extra money that you're going to be able to bring home each and every month just by starting your home-based business. So your home office, you're going to be able to deduct part of your mortgage or rent as your home office. So the national average for a mortgage is $1,550. Your business vehicle, this is probably going to be one of your biggest deductions because as a home-based business owner, you're going to have to be traveling to go out to meet prospects, go to live events, see presentations, and as you're out working your business, you're going to be able to write off a portion of those those mileage on your business vehicle. Business travel. As a home-based business owner, you can build your business anywhere that you want. So as you're traveling to different states, building your business and prospecting, you're going to be able to write off a portion of that trip, even if you take your family along with you. Meals and entertainment. So when you're out to lunch or you go out to dinner and you're meeting with a prospect, discussing your business, your opportunity, your product, or your service, you're going to be able to write off a part of those meals as a business expense because you're out prospecting and working your business, so you'll be able to deduct that at the end of the year. Now your general office deduction, this kind of categorizes all the miscellaneous things. So if you get business cards for your business, you buy pens and pencils, you use your cell phone, which is your internet provider, you're going to be able to write off a portion of that each and every month as a business expense because you're using it for your business to help grow your business. So let's go ahead and calculate the national average savings and see what that comes out to. So based on these deductions, we just found that by you not having a home-based business, you are losing $484.63 a month. So let me ask you, what would you be able to do with an extra $484.63 a month by just starting a home-based business? I mean, for some of us, that could be a car payment. That could be part of your mortgage payment. That can help you get out of debt. That's a total of $5,815.60 extra that you're putting into your pocket versus getting taken out at tax time simply by starting a home-based business. So my question to you is, would you rather Uncle Sam hold on to $484.63 a month for you Or would you rather have that $484.63 each and every month in your pocket to be able to do what you want to do with it, simply by starting a home-based business? So even if that home-based business costs you, let's just say, $40 a month, you're still ahead $444.63 extra that you didn't have before you had a home-based business. So if you'd like to see your actual savings, give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll be happy to go through this with you. And if you're looking to start a home-based business, I would be happy to talk to you about the opportunity that we have and see if you'd be a good partner for us, and you can start reaping the rewards of tax deductions and start taking more money home for you versus giving it to Uncle Sam. So again, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I appreciate you, and I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.